Hello, and welcome to this Archimand tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your own custom sounds for Halo Custom Edition. In this tutorial, you only need a few tools. You're going to need an audio editing program that is capable of exporting custom settings for your audio file. You can do this with Audacity, or what I'm going to be using, Acid Pro. Also, you're going to need Tool++. Tool++ is an add-on to the tool.command. So, downloading Tool++ makes it easier. If you want to try and go ahead and just use Tool, you can, but I would recommend you use Tool++. So download Tool++ and Audacity and install both. You put Tool++ in the Halo Custom Edition root directory folder. As you can see here, I have it right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take my sound file, and this is a firing sound of a Desert Eagle pistol. I'm going to drop it into Acid and just click Create the Sound File. I'm going to trim it down a little bit from the original length, and then I'm going to go to File, Render As, and this is the part where you want to pay attention for all editing. You want it to be a .wav file. Now go to the settings in whatever audio editing program you're using. You need it to be PCM uncompressed audio. Halo will not take any other type of compressed audio. It needs to be WAV, and it needs to be PCM uncompressed. Now, you're going to need to put this to 22,050 sample rate hertz, and you can leave the bit depth at 16, and then you need to change the channels to mono. Say OK, name your file, and save it. Now, you need to put this in a folder in your data files. I'll show you that directory right now. Go to Data, create a new folder, and call it Sounds. Now, create a new folder and call it Weapons. Now, create a new folder and name it the name of your weapon. In this case, it's just going to be my pistol. Drag your deagle.wav, or whatever you call it, and put it into your weapons folder in your sounds. Now, go to tool++.executable, and it should open up like this. Go down to sounds. Okay, so then once you're here, click on the source directory, open up Halo Custom Edition root directory, data, sounds, weapons, pistol, and change the platform to OGG and leave it at 1. Click Tool and wait for it to run. And then once it says OK, then just click OK, and as you can see, it's done. If there's some kind of error like failed to compress, then you did something wrong. Now open up Gorilla, and if you don't have Gorilla in your Halo Custom Edition folder, you're going to need to download the Halo Editing Kit, and I'll have a link to that in the sidebar. All the programs used today will be in the sidebar. I'll even include a free trial download of Acid Pro, which will direct you to their website. Now, go to Sounds, Weapons, and Pistol.Sound. Go down and click Play. It should be the sound of whatever sound you made. Now, depending on what this sound is for, choose accordingly from this drop-down list up at the top of the tag. Since this is weapon fire, I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to close it and say yes, I want to save. Now, before I do that, you can see that there's a lot of different settings, and you can just tweak and look at other official tags to see what they do. They kind of create random. They create random sounds to make it a little bit different, and that's how you'd want to do it if you want to make it sound just nice. But I'm just going to leave it as the normal pistol sound and apply my settings to the tag. Now, to make this available to a pistol sound, we're going to need to go into tags weapons pistol dot weapon and open up this. We're going to need to go down and find where the sounds are being held. As you can see, we have the pickup sound, the zoom in and stuff, and it's kind of spread all over. Reloading effect, the sound of the effect, I'm sure. Picking up the sound. The projectile. The firing effect. Go to firing sound, and it's just to fire bullets. Let's see. If I open up this, we have our parts, which is fire, and this is, open this up, go down and find out. So it sounds like the sound that is normally. So click on the three dots, and we're going to find our new folder. So go to sounds, go to weapons, go to pistol.sound, and open it up. Exit, save, close that, and now you can build your cache file. So go to levels, test, tutorial.scenario, and build, or whatever map you want to have it be. And you can see it's going to put its output file here, and everything should go smoothly. Once it's done building, just say OK, and you can see this data, and then you can run it, inhale CE, and the sound should be there. So you can subscribe to my videos if you find them helpful at all, or you can go to my official website at www.arcoman.com. I have all my tutorials there, and that is the official website, and I also have high definition videos there. So this has been an Arcoman tutorial. Thanks for watching.